In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Let's get started. We're currently on the Instagram mobile screen. Here, we'll open Instagram, and as you can see, the background is currently white. To turn on dark mode, first, we need to go to our profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner. Let's click on it. Next, we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner, which will take us to the settings. Let's click on it. If you're using an Android device, you'll need to find the accessibility option, which can be found by scrolling down. But if you're using an iPhone, you'll need to go to your device settings. Let's go back and check the settings on our mobile device. We'll click on it and scroll up a bit. We'll go to Display and Brightness, and then we'll see two options, Light and Dark. We'll click on Dark. OK. Now, let's go back to Instagram. And as you can see, the background is now black. This is how you turn on dark mode on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.